everyone, this is Michelle from GCE Education Hub. Today we'll be going through equalities of polynomial. So let's go! Generally, students, when they do this kind of question, what they tend to do is they want to expand the expression, okay, and it gets very messy actually. So what I suggest students to do is actually just sub in appropriate values to actually find A, B, and C respectively. So you can see that from the expression, we have x minus 1 here and x minus 1 here. So what we can do is we can sub in x equal to 1 so that we can eliminate this two term here. So you can see that when I sub in x equal to 1, alright, what I'm left with on the right hand side is actually just c. Okay, because 1 minus 1 is 0, which removes the entire term of this and this. Alright, so solving, we'll get c equal to 1. Alright, so likewise, okay, we're now going to try to remove our first term so that we can solve for b. So you can see that we can sub in x equal to 2 to get rid of the first term. So we're just going to sub in x equal to 2. Okay, and what we have here will be our first term, we will have our second term, which is b, 2 minus 1. And remember to sub our c back. Alright, and what we get will be b equal to 8. Right, so we already solved for b and c. Now, to solve for a, there are two methods actually. The first one is, if you can see that the coefficient of x squared is just ax squared on the right hand side. Okay, if you compare with that, okay, it will just be 5. Alright, so compare coefficient of x squared. Okay, a is equal to 5. If not, you can also consider substituting any random value except what we sub in originally, 1 or 2. We can try to sub in x equal to 0. So what we have will be 3 equal to a times minus 1 minus 2 plus b times minus 1 plus 1. Alright, so if you solve, you will see that a is actually equal to 5 also. Alright, so my values of a, b, and c respectively are all here. Okay, so we're going to try another question. Alright, so you can see that now it's a cubic equation. So same thing, okay, we will try to remove this term so that we can solve for c. We can see that if we sub in x equal to 2, I can solve for c directly. So let's sub x equal to 2. Okay, what we have will be as follow. Alright, so when you sub x equal to 2 on the right side, the highlighted portion will be gone because anything multiplied by 0 is just 0. Okay, so we have c equal to negative 5. Alright, now our next aim is to try to solve for b or a. Alright, so you can see that if I try to sub in x equal to 0, a will be gone and I can solve for b. So now we're going to sub in x equal to 0. Okay, what we have will be negative 11. Alright, and then times 1, and then we have b, and then negative 2 minus 5. Right, so when we solve the equation, we will have b equal to 3. Alright, so to solve for a is the same thing. When we expand the first term of each bracket, meaning this times this times this, the multiple of this term will always give you the highest power on the left side. So you can again do the same thing, compare coefficient of x cubed. Okay, you realize that a is equal to 3. Okay, or you can also sub in an appropriate value. So for example, we can try to sub in x equal to 1. Alright, so we have 3, 1 cubed plus 4, 1 squared minus 10 equal to x plus, we'll have a plus 1 1 plus b, and 1 minus 2 minus 5. Alright, so if you do your solving, you'll realize that you get a equal to 3 also. So, this is how you solve equality of polynomial. If you find the content we are sharing useful, remember to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.